Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Mommy Ebechku here. Welcome back to my kitchen. So today we are making Nigerian fish roll. It's a deep fried dough with a fish sauce inside of it. Let's begin. Hello everyone, hello subscribers, hello my viewers. Today we are making fish roll. So I'm making use of smoked fish. The taste it gives to my fish roll is exquisite. I don't like using fish that is not smoked for my fish roll. So right now I'm removing all the fish guards and deboning the fish at the same time. After doing all this, I'm going to cut or make the fish, smash the fish into smaller sizes, which will enable me fry it. So the fish I'm making use of today is mackerel fish. You can make use of any other fish of your choice, but I prefer this fish because it naturally have a good taste. Like it tastes better than some of the fish I've eaten before. So now I've finished turning it into little pieces. Now I'm going to fry the fish. Like I'm going to fry, you will see I'm going to saute an onion, pepper, then I'm going to fry the fish in it. I'm making use of 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can make use of coconut oil or any oil of your choice. Red chopped onion, habanero pepper. I added about a teaspoon and a half habanero pepper. The habanero pepper increases the taste, the flavor of your fish, the sauce you're going to put in your fish roll. It increases the taste and it brings a little bit of heat. I added salt. If you add too much salt to your fish roll stuffing, the only remedy is to dash in some chopped Irish potato, which will eliminate the excess salt. It will absorb the salt, but thereby reducing the salty content of the sauce. So I just added my seasoning cube. I'll be adding the garlic and the ginger we made in this channel. If you have not watched the video, is below this. Check it out. You see how I make my ginger and garlic paste, which lasts for months in my fridge. You don't need to freeze it. You just need to put it by the side of the fridge where you place your some of your milk and all the rest. That's just the place. I'll be adding the fish and I'll cover the pot, allow the fish to cook for 5 to 6 minutes, and that is it. So this is our fish. I'm going to set it aside. Now let's make the dough for the fish roll. You first of all mix the dry ingredients, which includes the flour, sugar, and baking powder. I like using a buttery flavor for my fish roll, something that is not going to remove that fish roll taste. So I'll be making use of butterscotch flavor. You can make use of any flavor of your choice, maybe like something like vanilla. This is how I'm going to do it. Because you're using 3 or 4 cups of water, I'm going to add the quantity of flavor I want, that is the butterscotch flavor, into the water I'll be using to mix the dough. With this method, you don't need to fear if the flavor will not get to every part of the dough. Hence, you're adding the water is going to get to every part of the dough, and that is the method I use. Don't use any flavor that is going to remove the taste of the egg. That is, it start having a different taste other than that fish roll flavor or taste. I've started adding the water. I'm going to knead the dough for about 2 minutes top. Make sure you flour your surface, your work surface, because the dough is still sticky because of the margarine I added. Just knead it, bring everything together. It will become smooth. This is how it looks. You can use a knife to cut the dough, or you can use your hand as I did in this video. So when adding the fish roll filling, don't add too much, just add moderately. So this is how to tuck in the fish in. Bring the both side of the fish roll in. This secures the fish. It makes it impossible for the fish roll to open up and spill, okay, in the oil. I use water. I dip my hand in the water to close or seal the fish roll. So you can use egg wash for this, but I prefer using water because it's easy to get and it's convenient and it doesn't smell, okay? And even water gets the job done, so why go through the stress of breaking an egg? So let me show you one more time how to stuff the fish in the fish roll. Put a moderate size of fish stuffing. Secure the fish by bringing both sides of the fish roll into the fish roll. Roll it and dip your hand in the water. Seal the fish roll with water or egg wash. So now I'm going to fry it. Fry the fish roll in a medium hot oil. Let the oil not be too hot. So this will allow the fish roll cook for some time before it starts getting brown, okay? If you add your fish roll in a very hot oil, it's going to get brown immediately and it might not cook. The dough might not cook or fry properly because the oil is too hot. You can use a skewer to turn the fish roll from time to time until it is golden brown. Now our fish roll is golden brown. Let's take it out and fry the next batch. Hope this fish roll tutorial was very clear and is understandable. Thanks for watching my video. Let me show you the inside of this fish roll. Oh yeah. Look at how delicious the inside looks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not subscribed, okay? See you in my next video. Bye.